In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures once again today as they're realizing a third consecutive session of very strong upward momentum, up better than 3.5% currently, right around the 66.20 level, so taking out the 66 handle. And with this price action, we now are going above, or taking out, I should say, the highs from January of 2020. But now we're challenging levels that you have to go back to April of 19, so almost two-year highs for WTI crude futures. And some of the factors, I think, really the OPEC Plus carryover is driving force here as they kept their production cuts in effect for at least through April. And again, just the idea that they are going to probably move a little slower than what the market anticipated is being viewed as a positive. And also there's storylines now coming out in the last couple of days about the fact that the production in the U.S. may never get back to pre-pandemic levels. We'll have to see if that actually plays out, but that's another storyline being debated here, and I think that's another factor why we're seeing this upward momentum. Interestingly enough, the dollar, the stronger dollar, we're seeing the dollar pushing back and challenging the 92 levels, so you would think in theory that that would be a bit of a headwind, but all these other things currently in place appear to be trumping at least that, or have enough power behind them to, again, discount the fact that the dollar is climbing higher as we're seeing it reversing its trend here for the last couple of weeks. The other thing I want to point out, RBOB is pushing back above $2 now, and that's the first time really since May of 2019. So we're looking at RBOB futures retaking the $2 level on strong volume for not only the RBOB futures, but as well as the WTI futures.